Hello world!
Hello world! Where
So,
are we? Today we are in
the city of Antwerp to record a new video for the AI in Every City video what you're currently watching. And it's the last day of the year right now.
Yeah, and it's really cold.
It's really cold, so let's walk a bit and we are going to prepare you for 2025 in this video.
Yes, let's go for it.
Let's go!
This way.
So these people are following the tour guide. We got Copilot. So if we're talking on how to get started in 2025 using Copilot, what would be your tip?
Yeah, my tip is asking Copilot how, to get some feedback on how you work. So you can ask Copilot, for example, view all your emails or your Teams chats and your documentation that you are working on and deliver some feedback for you to do it better. And yeah, I think you will be flabbergasted about the results Copilot can give you.
And also, I know a lot of us have goals set for next year. You can use Copilot to split those goals into smaller pieces that you can execute and help Copilot plan it in your calendar. So, for example, if you have a goal to get a certain Microsoft certification, you could ask Copilot how to get there and what would be a great schedule for you to put it in your calendar.
So let's show it, I think.
I'll put the prompt down below over here. Okay, so we were just joking when we walked behind the tour guide that we got Copilot. But it's not that...
It's true, right?
It's true, yeah. It isn't actually a joke. So shall we give a demonstration on how Copilot can help exploring a city and learn about it?
Yes, let's do that.
Let's go!
So I make a picture of that amazing houses. I put it in my Copilot and I'm going to ask what I'm seeing right now. What is it? What I'm seeing? And share some historical information. There we go, I send it to Copilot. Let's see where what is real is finding. Yes, we are in a market square in Antwerp. And I see a lot of information about these buildings. The markets, and we see here the great market as well. And some more information about the architecture of these buildings. So, and I can have also like more information about the URLs, finding other websites to learn more about this, or I can ask even more if I want to learn more. Do you want to learn more, Jeroen?
No, I'm okay. So, no tour guide needed.
No, just fixed it.
Yes, Copilot, your awesome tour guide.
I see a great building here and I have it a little bit cold. Please can you share me first what we do with the weather today and yeah, what kind of weather it is, so I can get it warm really soon. Copilot say that I can shop some new stuff. I get some hot chocolate as well. So I think that's a good idea.
It's like a good idea.
So thank you for that information. And now I want to learn more about the building that I right now. So I share a picture with you. There you go. Ooh, awesome. Jeroen, I think we need to visit this right now.
Let's go.
I use these glasses to talk with Copilot, and there is also sound in these glasses, so I get lots of information back from Copilot. So I think this is really awesome. What do you think?
I like it. It's normally Meta AI what's in the glasses, but with Bluetooth we can have Copilot also in there.
Fun.
So, 2025 might be the start of your new journey, also from a business perspective. Have you already used Copilot when creating business plans and stuff?
Of course, I use it all day about using Copilot for new plans for next year. So I think a lot of things you can use. For example, in this 5 Copilot, starting with your business plans. Make a great PowerPoint presentation for your organization and showcase what your plans are for next year.
Exactly, and to get your plans for the next year, I would suggest to use Copilot Web, because then you can browse the internet with Copilot. You can do all kind of trend analytics and that kind of stuff, and use that to have a great foundation for your business plan.
So your prompt really needs to be good, need to be specific about what your outcomes you want and who you are, and then you will see that the results are impressive.
Yeah, we'll put the prompt in the next slide. Okay, so we got one last thing in this video. And did you know Copilot is a perfect singer?
Yeah, let's find out.
Yeah, that's
How's the human feel today?
Hey Copilot, I'm fine. Please can you sing a song to end our vlog about you? So really nice song that you can sing on the end of this year.
Yeah, and where you thank the viewers for viewing this video.
Thanks for tuning in. We've shared some laughs and experiences. As we say, this digital scene, as the year winds down, here's to you. It's going to strong and true. Until we meet again, my friend, this song is not for you. How's that?
Great, thank you Copilot.
Thank you so much for watching. And see you
Next year.
Bye bye.
Bye.